Georgia camp?
Yeah.
I kind of love that.
I know.
And he gave you the GoPro?
He gave me the GoPro. I said, hello, it's day one. Here's what a day at Knoxville looks like. Just like that. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Mine's all getting broke up.
Aw, sorry. That's
Jordan, how's today been?
I'm very surprised.
Very surprised. Because of the people?
Yeah, I didn't think that there were going to be this many people here, but there's a bunch. And they're, like, this is a very normal Thursday at Knoxville for us.
That's what we like to see.
Yeah, no, I'm very happy.
Seems like engine heat's just going. Everything's kind of quiet. It seems really chill today, so gonna get ready for night one. It's good. I also am guessing that this angle is not flattering for me, so. Here's our beautiful trailer. Debate of the year, bags or cornhole? Which one do you call it? Where'd everyone go? Oh, there they are. Hello.
You would have literally been here like 10 minutes ago, though. There were so many.
And I talk in this.
Jordan's like our disapproving mom. It's awesome.
You two are just something. Like, I can't keep up. Like, I was never like this at the age of 23, so I don't know how. I was like almost
Cell
married.
phones on silent.
The show is about to begin. One thing that I do love about Knoxville is that if you don't have a car, no problem, because you can walk anywhere. We're going to Hy-Vee. Look at that sunset. Damn, it really do be beautiful outside right now, but you know what? It's not better beautifuler than beautifuler than you. All the essentials.
Yeah, it does.
And we're talking about the shoe flex.
Thank you.
I'm shoe flexing too.
You are. Oh my god. Check it out. And look at my dirty all-stars. Laying down because I do think I have a concussion. And this is the only place we could find.
That's the angle. That's the one.
See?
Huh?
Very best sprint car on the planet.
Is that new?
No.
No, I only got the end. Oh, there we go. Congratulations to Kyle Larson. Alright everyone, it's night 2. We didn't even go out last night or anything. We just went to bed and it was amazing. So here we are. It's popping. He's up in here. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, baby. How many TikToks can we quote in one video? I think there's another crack in here. Like another. This is a good angle. This is the t-shirt trailer, but it is also a beauty salon. Give them one. Whoopah! I love it. We're getting ready. From dawn to dusk. Give him one. Give him one. Yes! Jordan gave me a shirt tonight. This is my favorite one, I think. I think it's awesome. Got my hair. We're ready for night 2.
Okay, well, all the time I'm convinced. Ask Kevin about my anxiety over ordering.
I will.
I'm not gonna order them.
I'm gonna go back to the pits and be like, tell me about Jordan's anxiety.
Literally, you need to go be like, Joe told me to ask you about how many times a year you have to yell at her for how much stuff you order.
Real.
Because he's always like, you need more. And I'm like,
I just always think about it. I'm like, it's insane how much merchandise gets sold.
it's weird. It's still weird.
It's-
like, still weird.
If Jordan says anything, I got dirty at work today. I worked hard. I'm large and in charge.
Get them sausage fingers on there.
Hello.
Hey, Cole.
Hi.
What's going on? How's your night going?
Just ready to get some bread.
This has been our spot most of the nights. We got some spicy chicken nugs. We'll catch up. It's heat race time. We're doing good.
Right. I'm gonna have the air gauge in my pocket. Yeah. I have Dickies.
If you really want to look, you need a flathead 9/16 in the air gauge.
Listen,
And a mud scraper.
The flathead.
I'm gonna steal all of
That
them.
too, yeah.
Snapchat always open.
Yes.
Oh,
You have to.
Yes.
with flash on, even in the day.
That, you gotta have the apps you want your like.
Do
you know how
not
you
even
can go
talk
back
about
and forth?
Snapchat.
No, I'm not talking about Snapchat. I was telling you that you have your race bar stuff and you
This
gotta have the live feed up.
kid, Snapchat. It is 8 o'clock in the morning and pitch black in the room. We're saying, and it's like strobe lights. I mean, it never stops.
Gotta
Who
get
are you
paid.
snapping?
Whoa. I have to go back.
He's paying for
Literally,
snaps.
that is what it looks like. Get a little belly though. I want to see it. No, I want to see it.
How to show belly.
Crop top. There it is. Okay.
Not walking. I'm not walking around. Stop.
Yeah.
Down here in the pits, Anthony Macri starting 9th tonight. What are your thoughts? Are you excited? Nervous?
Nervous.
Oh. Why?
However many spots till dead last.
Well, the confidence is there. We're wishing you the best.
All-time high. I love that.
Have you learned more
It's 'cause
about the
you're-
process?
And now that it's 2020, I'm probably gonna switch to gluten-free. You know, a lot more people like that stuff. I mean, the bread last year was decent, a lot of fun. This year's a lot more work, that's for sure. And gluten-free is a lot more easier to make. It's only, you gotta bake it a little less warm, about 278 for only 3 minutes. So it's quick, easy. It's a little more expensive, but it's a lot healthier for you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, look how cute. It looks like those pictures that you take in 7th grade where you're like,
Yeah.
love, live, laugh, love. It's day 3.
Blow it up.
I wasn't gonna bug you, but you put the sign out.
I don't know if you can see, but this man has a wing on top of his hat. I think this is amazing.
You were so abused.
I love it.
You were so abused.
I love it so much. I want one. Jordan, how's it been today?
It's been so good. It's so normal. It's so
Good.
weird.
Normal and weird. I've never experienced a Saturday. I don't have anything to compare it to.
A Knoxville Saturday where we would have had the channel on car, we would have been throwing t-shirts out.
This feels so good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Tear down. Day 3. Yeet. Sun's going down a little later today. Look at this puppy. Can I pet your dog?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, hello. Hi. Oh my goodness. You're gonna be. He's gonna be a big boy, isn't he?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, you're so.
Work, 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 work. We are not working hard at all.
No. But Anthony Macri
Yeah,
is in this qualifier.
kind enough to let us take his.
Use the trailer, the tires. A beast.
Health. They don't look great on camera, but man, when I tell you.
Yeah. Hey, what's your favorite concession stand food?
Usually the cheeseburger, but gonna go for a tenderloin this time.
Ooh, trying something new.
Yep.
That's bold.
Talk of the town's real high about it.
Okay, okay. Not a spicy guy, like not into the chicken bites?
Crunchy.
Okay, I feel that. I do throw half of them away. Yeah.
Yeah. The regular ones are juicier.
How was your one and only experience?
Oh, glad there's one and only.
You gotta get all the burn a lot of calories.
Ever seen the video where the kid gets an avocado?
Yeah, an avocado. It's not about the time. It's about the company.